Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on Ethereum. As usual, if you like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, Ethereum has been overall bullish, making higher lows and higher highs, trading inside this rising brown channel, and we are currently sitting around the upper bound and the 2300 resistance zone. Currently, we are inside this impulse movement or forming the impulse for it to get overextended and boost the remaining control. We need to see a break above this previous major high from the daily and H4 and to invalidate the upper trend line currently acting as a non-horizontal resistance. Once we have this break, we're expecting a movement till the next rejection around this supply and resistance zone 3.5k. Meanwhile, until we have this break, Ethereum can still push lower for one more correction movement to be confirmed on lower time frames. If you zoom into H4 from a medium-term perspective, as per my last picture analysis, we have been looking for buy stops around this area as it's the intersection of the lower trend line in blue, lower bound of the channel, and this previous resistance turned support. So price rejected the zone, then rejected the upper bound, which is the supply zone, which I mentioned also that we'll be targeting this supply, traded lower, and now we are forming this channel in red from a short-term perspective. For the bulls to remain in control here from a medium-term and short-term perspective, we need to see a break above this previous high and to invalidate the upper trend line acting as a non-horizontal resistance. In this case, expect further bullish movement at around the 2.4k. Meanwhile, if you push lower, this zone will act as a support. Of course, we can still push lower to the lower bound of this red channel. In this case, as long as the 2K holds, the boost can still kick in and push higher like this, right? And unless we see a big break from daily time frame below this 2K zone, in this case, expect deeper correction movement to the lower bound of the channel, as I mentioned previously from weekly time frame. So long story short, we are overall bullish from a long-term perspective. Sorry, these ones are old. And we are currently in this impulse movement, right? We are looking for a trend following by, and previously we bought here from a short-term perspective, and now we are looking for the boost to remain in control if we break above this. Meanwhile, we are stuck inside the smaller range. If break upward, expect this. If broken downward, 2K will be the next support. If broken, it wouldn't be good for the entire crypto market. That's it for today. Best of luck, and I'll see you hopefully on the next one.